Paul Jackson, I'm Digital Service Manager for Derry City and Strabane District Council, but as Tracy mentioned as well, I also look after the City of Derry Airport. As Tracy was saying, we recently just started doing the CA have come in to look at cybersecurity, and that's what we're working on, a cybersecurity plan for the airport. I'm also looking at on the council side of things as well. So I've recently done our cyber incident response plan, and to be honest, I sort of did a bit of copying and pasting from other organisations. What I found this course really helpful was that I now sort of understand more what the cyber incident response plan is, so I can go back now and edit that and make it more probably friendly for my organisation. And then, as I said at the start of yesterday, I wasn't too sure about the playbooks and the playbook information. It was really helpful for me today to get my playbooks up and running. So from my point of view, I think the course was really well. It was really good, interactive. I enjoyed doing the breakout sessions and meeting different people with different issues. It was great. And yourself, Amar, you were really, really friendly. And hopefully I've got a contact I can torture in the future if I need any more help. Thank you.